Accused of killing his former girlfriend during an Outer Banks vacation back on July 4th.
Today, a judge read the murder charge against Nathan Summerfield, then sent him back to jail without bond. He was arrested last week in an Ohio motel after 38 days on the run. Detectives say he killed Lynn Jackenheimer, then dumped her body in Frisco. Andy Fox has covered the story for us since Jackenheimer disappeared, and he was in court today. Andy?
Nicole and Tom, Summerfield's case will go before a grand jury on September 10th. He was given a court-appointed attorney, and based on the evidence, he will likely be indicted, and then the process towards trial begins. Today was the start of that process. This is Nate Summerfield's new home at the Dare County Detention Center. When he showed up here Saturday, he looked like this. But now, if you look closely in the back seat of the sheriff's car, you could see a clean-shaven Nate Summerfield. The Cayley family from Summerfield's hometown of Ashland, Ohio, drove 760 miles in 9 hours to be on the Outer Banks.
We come to go see Lynn's memorial, and then we heard while we were down here, Nate had court, and I said, I'm going. I'm going.
The Cayley's pickup truck has come to symbolize the community-wide effort to catch Summerfield, who is accused of strangling and stabbing his former girlfriend, Lynn Jackenheimer, to death July 4th while the two vacationed in Salvo.
We went to Columbus. A lot of people like praying for us and thumbs up, and people taking pictures while we're driving down the road that was on Facebook. That was the best part.
There was no camera in the Dare County courtroom. Summerfield told the court he needs a public defender. The case against him filled with incriminating evidence, and apparently the evidence keeps building.
Major Johnson and Investigator Overbeck are still putting their case together, gathering additional evidence and having things analyzed and making other interviews and doing the things that you do to prepare any capital case.
A type of case that has had 24/7 news coverage back in Ohio and has left an indelible mark on the community. Just ask 10-year-old Courtney.
It's okay.
It's tough.
It is.
Kids have had to learn about murder.
Yeah. I tried keeping it away from my kids as much as possible.
As Summerfield left court, the Cayleys were here to let him know they are here. You heard that in the end, justice for Lynn. I spoke with Assistant District Attorney Nancy Lamb. It is unsure at this time whether she will seek the death penalty or first-degree murder. The only other sentence for first-degree murder would be life in prison without parole. It is clear the only way there could be a plea agreement so there is no trial is if a death is sought in this case. And the plea agreement would be life in prison without parole. The options for Nate Summerfield are very limited. I'm Andy Fox, 10 on your side.